Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners, I am Farjana Yasmin. Welcome to my channel for learning English grammar, vocabulary and phrases. Today's lesson is the use of is. You know that is a very common verb that we usually use in our daily conversation. Let's get started. The word is, it's a verb. The word is, it's a verb. And it's a be verb. As you know, it's be verb. We know that in present form, be verbs are am, is, are. So, is will be used in present simple and is will be used in present tense and is will be used in present situation. Is used with he, she, it, basically with the third person singular. So, he is a student, she is a banker, it is a book. Is used to describe, is used to describe a person. For example, she is very hardworking. She is very hardworking. She is talented. She is talented. Her brother is very funny. Her brother is very funny. And his dog is very tiny. His dog is very tiny. So, whenever you are going to describe a person, then you can use the verb is. So, I have used here she. So, you can use he or any other name. For example, if I say she is very hardworking, or if I say Sheila is very hardworking. Is used to describe people, to describe things, and to describe places in the present. So let's know the examples. So dear learners, if you would like to talk about someone else's nationalities, then you must use the word is. For instance, he is Bangladeshi, he is Spanish, she is Indian. Sheila is Bangladeshi. If you want to talk about someone else's age, in that case, you have to use is. For instance, he is 35. He is 35. That means his age is 35 years old. And she is only 13. She is only 13. Her brother is 15 years old. Her brother is 15. So, as we have already known that to describe the places we can use the verb is. How you have to use it? Let's see these examples. The first one, Bangladesh is my motherland. Bangladesh is my motherland. So, Bangladesh is a place. France is a very large country. France is a very large country. So, France is a place. If I say Peru is in South America, Peru is in South America. So, Peru is a place here. We will use the verb is to describe things. For example, the pen holder is mine. The pen holder is mine. The box is very tiny. The box is very tiny. The house is very big. The house is very big. How we can use the negative sentences using the word is? Let's see. She is a good student. She is a good student. How you can make it negative? She is not a good student. She is not a good student. So after is you have to use not. She is not a good student. If you would like to talk about where someone else is in that time, you must use is. For example, she is at school. She is at school. My sister is at home. My sister is at home. My brother is at hospital. My brother is at hospital. When you want to rename a person or a thing, in that case you can use the word is. For example, I have seen the movie. It's a great movie. That means it is a great movie. It is a great movie. How to make question using the word is? Is she a student? Is she a student? So at first you have to use is. Is she? Then subject will be used after is. Is she a good student? And then you have to use a question mark. For making question, never forget to use question mark, otherwise it will be a wrong expression. On the other hand, you see, if you want to make negative question, then how you can use it? Is she not a good student? Is she not a good student? Then question mark. Is used to say what someone is doing right now. So is used to say what someone is doing right now. That means is used with the present continuous tense. With the present continuous tense, let's see these examples. He is playing outside. He is playing outside. He is playing outside. What is the structure? He plus is plus verb. You see, play is a main verb, then ing form. Okay, so he is playing outside now. Remember that if you are continuing any work now, in that case you have to use is with the third person. And for making negative sentence with the present continuous tense, you will only use not. For example, he is not playing outside now. He is not playing outside now. For making questions, you will use the word is from the beginning of the sentence. For example, is he playing outside now? Question mark. Is he playing outside now? Question mark. To talk about what is done in the present, we can use the verb is. Especially in passive sense, we usually use the word is. For example, the student is trained really well. The student is trained really well. So that active sense is the teacher or the coach trains the student really well. So like this, you can use make other sentences. For example, she is ignored by her friend. She is ignored by her friend. Or John is considered the best singer. So John is considered the best singer. That means the people consider John the best singer. That's all for today, dear learners. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching. See you next Thursday.